And welcome back. Well, earlier in the show, we heard from CommonGround volunteer Paula Peterson on the importance of reading nutritional information on food packages rather than just the marketing information. And that interview is going to be on our Facebook page a little bit later this morning. And now Paula is back with a recipe. Here's Taryn with more.
All right, thank you, John. Yes, I'm so excited about this because we were talking here. You said your granddaughter, my daughter, about the same age.
Yep.
And they take their lunches every day to school. I'm like, don't you just want to eat the nice hot meal? Well, the line's too long.
Yeah.
And so they take their lunches every day, and so we need to vary it up because she eats pretty much the same thing.
I know. Callie is a peanut butter and jelly girl.
Yes, I know.
And it's like, I got to do something different. This is a fun little recipe. It's tortilla roll-ups, and it's really, really simple. You would need an ice pack with it because of the cream cheese and cheese. But it's really easy to mix up. You start out with cream cheese, you add ranch dressing, and I love things that you just mix and go. We add a little bit of onions, green peppers, and red peppers, and I do that more for color than, you know, you could do orange ones or because there's so many fun ones. Add a little bit of cheese, bacon bits. You could do turkey instead or with it. Black olives. I love black olives.
I do too.
Everything I do. And you just mix it up, and then we'll stir it. We'll mix it up, and we'll put it spread it on the wrap.
Okay.
This one, and you have to do this the night before because it has to kind of sit and chill for about 3 hours.
Right. Okay.
So if you want to go ahead and cut that, it's really easy to cut, and that's the cook's piece.
Ooh, I get this one.
Yeah, you get the ends always. And then just go ahead and slice it, and then it's ready to go.
I'm probably making it too thick. They probably need to be smaller.
You know, it's honestly bite-sized pieces, whatever you want.
Okay.
It's something that honestly I would cut up ahead of time if you're going to take it into a lunch anyway, and then rewrap it. And then it's just really easy for them to grab it out of the lunch box.
Oh, yeah, yeah. I like how quick this is. I mean,
yeah, it's really quick. I mean, other than having to sit in the refrigerator for 3 hours.
Well, it's better to make your lunch the night before anyway.
Yeah. And I think when you do that, the flavors all blend in better together. It's at least, you know, like yeah, and that's all it is. And then you could wrap it back up, and you're ready to go.
And here it is. I've been looking at these for the whole show. Yeah, these are very good. Yeah. Do your kids like these? I mean, the little ones? With the cream cheese in it?
Yeah, I think the good thing about Callie and Christian, they will literally eat anything.
Yeah, good.
I never really know if they really like something because they will eat anything.
Well, good for adults for lunch as well.
Yeah.
So perfect. We have this recipe on our Pure Nebraska Facebook page already, and I'll send it back to you, John.
All right. Thank you, guys. Coming up,